Good evening, everyone. Today is my day 3 as trying to improve my public speaking skills. So before I start, I just want to inform you that today is my little sister 11th birthday. So kagina ni-celebrate kami through visiting the Capiz Bay Resort. And of course, as we enjoy our our trip, nag-swimming kami dito, and then we also do sand playing, and then after that we eat spaghetti, etc., etc. So today, I just want to talk about the result of our swimming day. Ayan. So, after sa sina, I realize nga na sunburn gali ako. Dirigid sa parto, hindi lang sakit because of the light, ang reflection sang light sa ngamon suga. Pero, kung tulokon mo ko or nakita mo ko personally, di ba? Okay lakat di. So sorry for the interruption. So as what I have said earlier, ayan, nasunburn ako through sa akong part, sa akong nose, and then sa akong cheeks, and also sa sa upper lip. Yan. So once again, I don't know what I'm going to discuss subong as the day 3. But siguro, I will share na lang guro some of my experiences during some swimming. I thought that throughout sa akong life, I don't know how to swim. It is because the last time na nagtry ako swim doon sa Capiz Bay, di pa ko masyado kabalo. And I'm also kind of afraid kung madalom ang tubig nga ako nga dinalangoyan. And also siguro, another thing pagit is that I never experienced gid nga amo to kataob kay kagina dabi ang tubig is very taas gid yan ning taob gid ya kagina. And with that kind of coincidence, I learned nga kabalo gali ko mag-swimming kagina, and I think that's something that I want to be proud of. Kay all those years, I really didn't think nga kabalo ako mag-swimming. So kagina, I really enjoyed our swimming trip sa Capiz Bay. I also do some kind of impossible tricks kagina, like maswim ako across sa isa ka bato kay dikto nga dan sa Capiz Bay may bato na dikto, and atong bato kagina amo to siya ang isa sa pinakamadalom kag medyo malayo nga part. So as a goal to test out my skills sa swimming, I tried to swim pakadto dikto. So naging successful man siya, and I did it for about 2 times. So it was really a different kind of experience, Gidya. And I think, I know, I believe that I'm proud of this. And also, I just want to share another thing to all of you, is that sang kagina, sang nagtry ako swimming, na realize ko gidya kung gaano ka peaceful when ara ikaw sa tubig. Tinanggal palutaw-lutaw ka lang bala, you're just floating around, swimming around without really putting a lot of energy. You're just, wala na yung feeling nga, you're just going with the flow sa tubig. So, amo na ang naging feeling ko agina. And it was some different kind of experience. Gidya it is because I never realized how peaceful it is. So, maybe next time when I or we try to visit again to the Capiz Bay, I will do it again, and hopefully the same thing man ang tubig ilog kang gina wherein taob-taob kid in madalong, so that I can have the chance to swim again. I think that's all for the day 3. I hope that I will keep doing this even though it may be not consistent gidya to do these kinds of videos to improve my public speaking skill, but I know that it's for myself. It may be I still feel kind embarrassed and also awkward when I try to speak in while videoing myself, but I'm really trying gidya. Kay balang ko hard work will pay off someday. So I hope I will make a lot of progress and try to be consistent and also monitor myself, monitor and control myself on how I act, my body language, the things or words that I try to speak. I'm also hoping that I can control it in order for me to effectively communicate publicly. I think that's all it was. This is maybe this is the longest video I've ever did currently. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.